Hello everyone! Konnichiwa! Today, nandito tayo sa loob ng isang room. It's a hotel room. And this time, I want to talk about paano ba mag-stay sa isang Japanese hotel. I mean, hotel in Japan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang iba't ibang do's and don'ts on staying in hotel in Japan. Ito siya. And then, ito yung bed. This is a double size bed. And maganda naman kasi yung bed niya kasi quality yung foam na ginamit. So, it's comfortable. Meron din tayo na side table, of course. And ganyan. And of course, may maliit ka rin doon na lalagyan ng mga luggage mo. And merong pot for water. Merong humidifier kasi dito kasi winter, di ba? May winter time, may dry season talaga. So, you will be needing that. And may complimentary water din sila. And of course, coffee. And ito yung menu nila. I mean, hindi siya actually menu. Ito yung mga what kind of hotel and ano yung mga amenities nila. What do they offer? Actually, the room is kind of like a business type room. Pero dito kasi is hot spring siya. So, somehow it para siyang Japanese, a combination of a Japanese style and a business hotel. Ito yung menu nila. And like that. And they explain dito, kasi they are familiar with their hot spring, na-explain dito kung ano yung mga benefits ng mga facility nila sa loob ng hot spring. And yes. And this one yung menu nila if you want to have like a massage. And dito sa Japan is very like common yung Korean style massage. And the most expensive one, this is the VIP course, which is 2 hours for 16,500 yen. So it's about 7,000 pesos for 2 hours. And ayan. And that's it. And of course, meron ka rin ditong small television. And you have your dryer here. Kompleto naman kasi sa like basic. And you have your fridge. Don't expect na may laman yung fridge mo pag yung mga typical regular hotel. Except pag ano siya, pag 5-star of course you have something in the fridge. And dito naman, kalapit ng bed, meron siya. This one is a toilet. Then, let's see what's inside. So, ganito siya. Ito siya. Of course, we are in Japan. See, it's normally like, basically, it's with bidet. And this is the formal style. If you don't use it, you close. And then if you use it, you open. And then you close again and flush. So, that is the basic. And normally, you have your amenities here. Like here, you have a ladies set, which is the cotton and the cotton buds, and that's for your hair. And this one is a hairbrush and razor for guys, body sponge, and you have toothbrush, and you have your cup for brushing your teeth. And we always have hand sanitizer, hand soap, and of course you have there your shampoo and conditioner and body soap, and it is of course your shower, and it always have a bathtub, a very tiny bathtub like this. This is yung kabuuan normally sa mga business hotels or small hotels. It's always like this. this is what you can expect. And of course, you have your tissue there and your towel. Okay, so we are done with our washing area. And then what else do we have here? Okay, wow, this is so like very cute. Very cute hanger. So, eto meron kang small space for your clothes. And we have this to help you wear your shoes. And we have this clothes brush. And we have also slippers. And this one, I think this is also very unique here in Japan kasi yung mga facilities like this, you have your set of, you have your bathing set. Ano yung laman ng bathing set natin? Come on, let's check it out. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng ating bathing set. Dun sa shower area, meron na tayong mga towels doon. Pero this one, pag ang accommodation mo is meron silang space for bathing, sometimes they provide like this. And this one, meron sila talaga yung facility nila is popular for hot spring. We have the body towel. And of course, this is to dry your body after your bathing. And then we also have this one, a hand towel. So what do you do with a hand towel? So pag nasa bath ka, you bring only this. And then, you wash your body, you wash your hair, and then, ang gagawin mo, this one is to cover your body like that. Or, you can use it to tie up your hair like this when you go to the bathtub. Yes, gonna be like that. So, this is very important. Pero there is one rule pag nasa common bath ka. Never do putting this into the water. It is always put like, it cannot go into the water. So make sure, iingatan mo yung towel. If you need to put it down dun sa mga available space na hindi, na wala siyang water. Okay? And the next exciting one is, we have yukata or summer kimono. So, we have kimono. So, ayun, meron tayong yukata. So, later, ito yung, ang counterpart kung nasa Philippines ka, diba, may pinoprovide sila ng bathroom. Dito kasi hindi kami gumagamit ng bathroom. Ang pinakang bathroom namin talaga, yukata. And of course, they provide you with this one, the yukata belt. So, kung gusto mo mag-go around outside your room, you can use your yukata and you can wear your yukata to other facilities like inside the venue. So, it's very easy. So, they are so nice because they always provide the set this one. So, you have to change to yukata and then put your things for taking outside. So, you have like net basket like this. I'm so tired today and my dinner, I made a reservation for dinner at 7:30. I still have 2 hours. Ang gagawin ko, mag-spend ng time, mag-relax doon sa public bath or sa hot spring. So, ang gagawin ko, I'll just bring my bathing set. You wanna come with me? No, no, no! Camera is not allowed inside any public bath. What happens there stays there. Okay? So, see you in a bit. Bye! Eto na yung daan. This is yung papunta sa hot spring. Yes. I'm back. I'm done with the hot spring and like I spent more than 1.5 hours and I'm now wearing the yukata. So I wear Kata, and I'm ready for my dinner reservation. So I'm gonna eat dinner in this outfit. Actually, the hot spring was so good. It's because ang laki ng outdoor pool niya. Tapos, ano siya, meron siyang 4 na outdoor pool and then merong isang pool sa loob. Tapos, meron siyang heated bath then sa loob and then isang sauna. So, ang ganda kasi nung now kasi autumn siya, November. And yung color ng yung mga leaves dun sa dun sa yung background niya, naka-light up siya. And ang fresh nung hangin kasi ngayon is lumalamig na pero mainit yung tubig. So nakababad ka sa tubig and then ang fresh nung hangin. Tapos merong mga part kasi ng outdoor bath na you can lay down. Meron dong mga wooden pillow. So if you lay down, you can see the open sky and you can see some stars. And it's so nice. It was so good. Then after that, I dried my hair. And yan, eto na. And I will wait for the dinner time at 7:30. Cheers! So, eto ang ating dinner. Yan. And then we have tofu. And we have bukkara salad over there. And we have this meatball. And we have some pickles. Miso soup. Soy sauce for sashimi. And we have rice and dessert. Let's eat. We have coffee. Looks yummy, smells good. And sherbet for dessert.